On the 1st of July, 2002, Aeroloid Flight 1135 and Airbus A320-200 was running behind schedule, which meant that it did not reach its destination, which was Friedrichshafen Airport, before it closed on the night of the 1st of July. This meant that it had to divert to another place. At the same time, the region's Zurich-based traffic control center was not expecting to handle any more landings that night, and therefore only had a single controller working the late night shift, despite regulations stating that there had to be 2 controllers on duty at all times. The plane ultimately landed safely. So what is the bad part about this? Well, because of Aeroloid Flight 1135, the controller became distracted with this flight and did not notice another very big problem. That was that 2 planes, a Tu-154 from Aviation Airlines and a 757 from DHL, was on a collision course. And ultimately, when he found out, it was too late. The planes collided above Überlinken. In total, 69 passengers on board the Tu-154 was killed. That number does also include the crew, and 2 people on the DHL flight was killed. And if you want to know, that's all of the people on board both flights. In total, 71 people lost their life that day. And the controller was distracted. Now, frankly, this does mean something to me, because the controller was from my country. The controller was Danish. So that does mean a lot to me. And the even more tragic thing was that 1 more death was caused by this accident, because a dad to a person on one of the flights, to be exact the Aviation aircraft, became very angry that his daughter had died and blamed it on the air traffic controller. He killed him out of spite and revenge, which is just sad because the accident had already taken so many lives. So the fact that it took another is just tragic. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.